if you don't like this one and you like maybe to play more, so you can get paid to test the new games and apps before anyone else. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money fast as a kid at home using a few simple money paying websites so you can create income online on a daily basis. Start from today. Make sure you stick to the end, because in the end of this video I will reveal an even better way to start and create money fast as a kid at home. If you would like to learn even more ways to create money online, no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, and every time I will publish a brand new content you will get notified. Okay, the first website called Prize Rebel, where you can sign up in 10 seconds, make money online now. Like, fellows, I mean, you can do this right now. You don't need to wait even one more minute now. All you need to do, you come to this website, prizerebel.com. You sign up. You can do this with Facebook. You can enter your details in here if you'd like. Up to you. And start making money. Now, how are you gonna do this? Complete paid online surveys, earn points, and redeem your cash and gift cards from PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay. If you have one of these, you can start and make money right now. My recommendation is PayPal. So if you don't have any account yet, if you don't know how to, you can go down to the description of this video and you will find another video where I explain how to do this. Actually, it's very easy and very fast to do, so you can start and make money online right now. Pay attention to this. We are looking for members and survey takers. Give your opinion on market research surveys and earn point. Then you redeem points for tons of rewards. Look at these numbers. Over 10,700,000 members joined the community. Of over 10 million members already joined this community. 20 million cash in rewards redeemed already since 2007, which means they are very stable and trusty website to get your money from when you want to redeem your reward. And you can see they pay real money, not fake, so you can get cash and get your rewards today. Like today, guys. Okay, this video called how to make money fast as a kid at home. So this is how you can do it. And here you can see all the places they've seen on. That's it. You just come, sign up, and you can start and make money right now, today. The next one called branded surveys. Now, it's pretty much the same, but I prefer to show you few websites so you can do the exact thing in each and one of them and make your income even bigger. As you can see here, thousands of people started earning with branded this week. You can earn cash by completing online surveys, and again, sign up, verify your details, and then cash out. Here you can see the video that explains how it's work, so you can start and collect your rewards right now from each one of these payment companies. And here you can see, again, they are very trusted. You can search for every one of these industries and enjoy them right now, so you can again start and make your money online today. Okay, another sites which is the same concept called Hiving, where you can make online, respond to surveys, and get paid. So again, you sign up and you can claim your reward. Respond to paid survey online, interact online with popular global brands, test free products at home. So you get paid to test a free product. I mean, hello. Invite friends to participate in paid online surveys, so you can do this with friends. So let's say till now you used to meet with your friends and, I don't know, play on computer, on Switch, on Xbox, on PlayStation, on your PC or anything else. Now you can get together and earn money online together. I mean, you don't need to go out and break a sweat or something while, I don't know, clean the car or whatever. You can stay home and earn together. Now look at this. You can enjoy fun lotteries, raffles, competitions, and quizzes. Join our consumer community and participate in many other fun and interactive activities. You can do a lot of fun things and make money online. You can help charitable bodies by donating your points. If you would like to donate, you can do it. It's up to you. And here you can see all the people that did it and they love it. So you can do it as well. You can read about what every user and member have to say. Then join them and start today. The last one called panel polls, when you can get paid for your opinion. Panel polls is a trusted service site for families, paid servers for kids, teens, young adults, and parents. And if you have any concern about, just a second, maybe this site's only for adults, so no. You can see they say it's for everyone in the family. Everyone can do this, from kids to parents. I mean, guys, come on, it can be easier. Let's see how it works. You take surveys, sign up, and receive invitation for surveys and activity where you or your family together qualify for. And then you earn your reward by completing paid surveys and activities and earn virtual points. And then the last step and the most significant one is you get paid, redeem virtual points for e-gift card. Earn Pay and Rewards, a reward program, offer reward links powered by Tango Card, which is this one. And as you can see, you can choose each one of those industries so you can get your rewards from. Over 100 retail brand and charity. Now here, they show you different ways to earn. You can choose whatever you want. You don't have to do surveys. I mean, if you don't like surveys, you can receive invites to participate in projects in your cities or online and earn between 50 to 300 per project. Now imagine you do a couple of them, you can make a very good income online each day. Okay, if you don't like to do this one, if you don't like to do that, you can come here where you can watch videos, TV shows, movies, and commercials and get paid for your opinion. And if you don't like this one and you like maybe to play more, so you can get paid to test the new games and apps before anyone else. What? Kids and family projects. Parents receive invitation for activities your family may qualify for when you sign up your children. So, as you can see here, guys, today on 2020, it can't be easier to make money online from everywhere, because you can do this even from your mobile. You can do this from home. You can do it in the middle of a boring classroom lessons, actually wherever you like. So I've showed you how to make money fast as a kid at home, completely online, with no experience needed. I mean, you don't need to learn nothing. You don't need to take some course. You don't need to sign up for any, webinar or something. You don't need to know anything prior to what I've showed you. You can start, make money online right now as a kid at home. It's totally real. And now, if you would like to update your business online and start create real income, let me show you something very, very nice. Again, you don't need any experience, although it might take you a little bit more time, but you can drive biggest results from this method, because here you can get paid a lot more for every project you take. And again, you don't need to know nothing. I will show you right now everything you need to do. Just watch the video to the end. Because in the end I will link to another video I did exactly about this method, and this method alone, where you can find the full details of how it works more deeply. So let me show you how it works. The first thing you want to do is to come to this website. It's called Fiverr, which is a huge platform for freelancers from all over the world to offer their services. And as you can see here, there is graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music, audio, programming, tech, business, lifestyle, and other industries. I sure you can find yourself in any one of those. And if you don't right now, you can start with the method I'm going to show you right now. And then after a few gigs, you can start and offer other things. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to come to this website, sign up as a seller, like I did, and then you can start and create your own gig, the first one, like I did, as you can see. And now I'm gonna teach you exactly what I did. So let me get back to buyer mode, and now you want to search for background removal. So background removal is to take the picture and then clean the background, so only the object in the center or the wanted object is gonna stay. And people offer these services on a lot of various ways and plans. What I mean, if we go by budget, so right now you can see here it starts with $5, and then if you scroll down you can find even more in 10, in 30, in 40, 15, 20, etc. So just imagine, for example, let's take this one, that 30 people will pay you $40. So let me just look at my calculator so you can see exactly how much is it. 40 multiplied by 30, it's $1,200 that you can do in no time, because as you can see here, it takes 24 hours for him to do this. You can do it a lot faster with the method I'm gonna show you right now. And again, you don't need to know any photo editing software. So you just sign up as a seller, create your first gig, as I did. For example, I offer to provide 100 photograph background removal, and you can do it by plans. What do I mean? Let's see. So for example, in this one, let's go to this one. If you click on any seller project offer, you will see basic, plan, standard, and premium. So for the most times, the basic will be 5. Then the standard will be more. For example, in here it's $15 for 50 images. Here it's 50 images in 5. Here it's 50. And premium it's 100, and for 30. For 2 days. So it means you can do a lot of money. And you can see here 52 people paid, and it gets a very good quality score. So you can do too. All you need to do is to come to this website, which called Remove BG. Okay, you've seen it just took the picture and removed the background automatically. I did nothing. I actually did nothing. I didn't took the image into a software and do it manually. I just upload my image to this website and it did it automatically. Now I can download it to my computer, and it took me, you've seen yourself, like I don't know, few seconds. You can do 100 in 1 minute or 2 minutes or even 10 minutes, I don't know, for as much as $30 in each time. I don't know, $30 for 10 seconds sounds great to me. Again, you don't need to know nothing. And if you would like to get more specific about this method, go in the description section of this video, and I will put the link to the video I did so you can learn exactly how to do it. Of course, if you have any question, you can always ask them on the comment section, and I will be more than thrilled to answer you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most. What's your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you actually gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe, because I've got an awesome video coming out soon. And if you click on the bell notification icon right now, I'm going to make sure you won't miss that video, because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Okay guys, bye for now, see ya next time.